Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am here in my laundry room because I am going to be showing you guys how to properly clean your washing machine. Now, a lot of people might not know this, but especially in a front load washing machine, there is actually 4 different areas that you need to make sure that you are cleaning in your washing machine. I bet you didn't know that. Most people always just are concerned about the drum, but there's actually 4 areas that you should keep clean at all times, because your washing machine can harbor serious bacteria, mold, everything. Like, it's super gross once you actually get into these filters and clean them out and see what is in them. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about, what 4 places that we need to clean, and then I'm going to show you the best way to clean them. Okay guys, so today we are going to be using vinegar as well as baking soda. Now, you can use just a washing machine cleaner. A-Fresh makes a good one. We also use this Glisten one. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it using vinegar and baking soda. So if you did decide to use one of these, you just follow the directions on the package. Usually you just end up putting it however much into the detergent drawer there, and then you run it on the clean cycle or the hottest cycle possible. But today I am going to be showing you guys how to do vinegar and baking soda. Just because I have really been trying, since I have had kids, to try to clean more with more natural methods. Just try to get away as many toxins as possible from my family. But the 4 areas that we need to clean on this thing that you may not have thought of. Number 1, in these little drawers. So many people might not know this, but this entire thing actually comes out. There's usually a little button somewhere or on the sides that you can click out. This whole thing does get removed, like so. So inside you can see it looks pretty good in here, but there's definitely, we have hard water, so there's definitely some soap scum here. You can see kind of on the sides there. Anytime that I go to move my my camera, I block the light, but there is some soap scum in there that we can remove. And then all of these little containers here also come out. So you can run this through your dishwasher or just clean it with like an antibacterial wipe, which is what I'm gonna do. And all these things come out. Let's see here. This one, oh, look at that. Okay, first of all, hard water. We can clean that off. Second of all, look at that right there. Mold. There's mold growing on the inside of my washing machine. So you definitely want to make sure that you're cleaning these, because bacteria can get trapped in the strangest places. I'll leave that off, I guess, because I'm going to clean it. And then all in here as well. So I'm going to use an antibacterial wipe, and I'm going to clean this. Okay, second of all, over here. I didn't show you guys this either. Okay, now inside, obviously we want to do the drum. That's where our clothes go. We also want to make sure that we're cleaning inside this rubber part here. A lot of people always talk about the smell of a front load washing machine. The reason why is because most people close their doors after they're done their laundry, and the water in there can continue to mold. So there's always stuff in here, as you guys can see. We got hair in here. Gross. You want to make sure you're wiping that out consistently. Get all that stuff out of there, and you want to wipe this all down with an antibacterial wipe. Okay. Third, I bet you guys didn't know that there was a trap door here. So anything that gets loose in your washer is going to end up down here. So we got, I don't even know what this is. Looks like a little ball of lint, a little bread bag hook, piece of paper or tape or something. I think it's tape. And then there is a little filter right here. So you're going to twist that, pull it out. A lot of times the water will gush out. Don't be worried. That's okay. Look at all of this stuff that is trapped in here. What is this? Guys, a baby sock. There's a baby sock trapped in there. This is like a little lint catcher. Look at all of this. And the smell is horrendous, just so you know. Look at all this. All kinds of things trapped in here. Okay? You want to make sure that you're cleaning that out. Twist ties. This was all trapped in that little catcher that you probably didn't even know existed. And so then once again, you're going to want to give this a quick little wipe with an antibacterial cloth. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am here in my laundry room because I am going to be showing you guys how to properly clean your washing machine. Now, a lot of people might not know this, but especially in a front load washing machine, there is actually 4 different areas that you need to make sure that you are cleaning in your washing machine. I bet you didn't know that. Most people always just are concerned about the drum, but there's actually 4 areas that you should keep clean at all times because your washing machine can harbor serious bacteria, mold, everything. Like, it's super, super gross once you actually get into these filters and clean them out and see what is in them. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about, what 4 places that we need to clean, and then I'm going to show you the best way to clean them. Okay, and lastly, this won't be on every washing machine, of course, but mine has this little trap door so that if you realize halfway through your load you forgot to put something in, it's a little trap door that you can add like a sock to or whatever into your wash when it's already going. And look at how dirty it gets. So you're definitely going to want to clean that out as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do in order to clean the actual drum, I'm going to run through 2 different cycles. So I actually have a clean cycle on my washing machine. If you don't, you would just use the hottest cycle possible. You're going to run it on the hottest, longest cycle. And first, you're going to run through 2 cups of baking soda. And all you're going to do is you're just going to sprinkle 2 cups of baking soda into your drum. Run it on the hottest cycle possible. Once that cycle is over, you're going to put through the exact same way, just pour it into your drum, 2 cups full of distilled white vinegar. It doesn't even have to be distilled, just white vinegar. And that is going to clean and refreshen and have all the antibacterial properties that you need to clean your washing machine. The rest, we're just going to wipe down with an antibacterial wipe, like I said, and your washing machine will be clean and pristine. guys. Well, I hope that I was able to give you some tips and tricks on how to properly clean your washing machine. Let me know in the comments down below if you learned anything from this video and if you're going to be trying my method. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know